Traditional medicine is a panacea for treatment of infertility in the 21st century. The Herbs of Nature Renaissance International Limited are working wonders for women who yearn to enjoy motherhood. Nature Renaissance International Limited has held a one-day seminar in Warri to sensitize women to the efficacy of the natural herbs.
Let me congratulate the family of the quadruplets. And I'm also going to use this opportunity to identify with them. Yes, it's worth a celebration. Good enough, you have NRI as your family now in extension. And I want you to bear in mind that today, as we come from all over the country to celebrate with you, you now have an established family, that will transcend to more bigger opportunities and more celebration in that particular family. To show our appreciation to God Almighty and also extend that our gesture of love to this family. And on that note, the Nature Renaissance International announced scholarship for these students.
We started using the D3 and the Nourisher, and by the grace of God, another product, we begin to see improvement and things begin to happen. And by the grace of God, today we're having our quadruplets in our hands. So just like joke, we've been married for 12 years and we'll be believing God